Welcome to Learn Tricks channel, and in this video I am going to show you guys how to get the first 1000 real subscriber for your YouTube channel in a faster way and or slower way, whichever way you guys prefer. And these are all actually real subscribers, not like from any social exchange site what we use the scripts to run it. So because some of these scripts is good for all the Facebook sharing, likes to get it and all those things, but nowadays YouTube has become very strict and they will remove all these likes and subscribers from these social action media sites. So there is an alternative way. I use it for some other channels, for some other guys to get it a real subscriber, and it works it. So what is this? This is actually quite simple. You just need one Facebook account, which is not the real one. You can create some fake account one. So once you have like a fake Facebook account, just log in, and I actually have already. These are the groups I actually come up with. Find it. So all these groups are actually created for YouTube likes, comments and watch time exchanging. So all these are real people, and you see these guys in this group got around 300 over K people, here 700 over K people, 100, 400, and like that. You see most of them are almost like 100K member groups. There are so many groups active, and some of them actually particular reason, some of them like Filipino, some of them USA groups. So all these groups I actually already have a list here. Later I will post in my video description. You guys can just go join these groups first, and later go back to those groups for groups, and then you can look for the people who are online currently. So, and also for me the favorite group is particularly this one, YouTube subscriber exchange for Filipinos, because most of the time this group has a lot of active members. So for example, you guys go see here, just like see if this is the first post 15 minutes, and see there's live, some guys actually doing a live. Okay, just now I think they stop it. Otherwise you go below, you guys can see a lot of people are doing a live video. See here, this particular lady is doing a live, and she is asking is 1 minute watch before subscribing, and then bell, like, comment, this thing. So if this is means really what you do is what you also get back same thing for your video. So you can look for these things and just go. And okay, so another thing is here, you guys need to know what is this YTC. YTC, this stands for YouTube channel name. So these guys put YTC and then put this name here, means this lady's channel is actually, this is the one. So what she's asking is you guys need to go to YouTube and then find, for example, you copy this one and go to YouTube and search that name here. So this is the one, her channel name. So what her meant is go there and before subscribing go to the channel and look any videos of her and watch 1 minute, comment, subscribe and all do. So whatever you do here, and then you can actually they will also will do same thing for your video. So that is the meaning of here, exchanging views, comments and likes. And these are more safer and better way to get a real subscribers for your new channels, so that if you post it later, if they are interested with your content, they also will watch it instead of a fake views, fake subscribers and all those. And okay, so this is one point. Second point is, so you just go through search through below here. There are so many people, just see 14 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, something like this, they will be the active members. So what you need to do is you go to about here discussion, refresh the page, refresh it. Yeah, refresh it, you will get all this new one. You just see here somebody is asking for the inbox. There are 46 inbox. So I suggest first look for the inbox options. Means inbox means you can have a deal with these guys, anybody, like personal one. We just send VLS, views, likes and subscribers, and if they interested, let them reply you back. So if they means if they once they reply, then you can actually deal with them how long you want to have a how long your video need to be watched, and then like and then subscribe. So then if both of you guys is agreed, then you can go ahead with the deal, and then you can finish it and you can get the what you wanted. So for this, one more important thing is you guys need to know is when you create a fake account, you just create a something like any female account. So because usually female accounts try to get more attention, and then you will get it faster, you can have a better dealing thing. So once you have a female photo, then you ask people, I want this 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Sometimes there are more chances that people may agree for you faster compared to the male photo profile one. So this is just my tip, but it's up to you, but you still can use it. Mine also still is just a you guys see just Bitcoin profile, so still I can get it. So nothing like that, but just a additional tip only. So like this, whenever you see these guys like inbox me, first preference you go search like this, go below, there's a lot of people, 2 minutes, 1 minute. See there's one my and also some people will look for 10 versus 10, 5 versus 5. So that means they have so many accounts, so they want so many people. Instead of going and finding one by one, they want to have a deal with one person so that they can exchange 10 subscribers, 5 subscribers. But I suggest don't go with this dealing, because YouTube may track even IP addresses. So it's better you go with one by one dealing, so you can get the real and unique subscribers for your channel. So like this, you see here so many people looking for PM either personal message. So those are the better options compared to posting here. So posting here means, see something like this, just not this one is not the out of topic here. Yeah, so suppose you see here, share this okay, not this is also not live one, okay, go. Yeah, so this is hello guys, I don't know English, so the drop your YTC here, I will watch completely with the whole package and legitimate only. So that means he's 19 minutes ago, this lady is still active. So what you can do is, if you have a channel name, you just go here, write your YTC means your YTC means your this is YouTube channel name. Then you can write whatever channel. For example, my name is Ellie Learn Tricks. But before you write this name, you make sure you search your channel with this particular name, whether it comes to the first search, then only these guys will follow. If doesn't come up, then you ask them to go and find it, they may not do it. So if doesn't come, then you first figure out for which particular group of words your channel pop up first in the search box. Then you just give them. You see here, there's a guy already, I sent a message to him, and then see this one asking 1 minute watch, subscribe, like, and then they say video link directly. So if you don't want, then you can ask, okay, something like this, 5 minutes is okay. If agree, because if you have a video for 5 minutes long, then they will reply yes or no. If yes, you can continue, otherwise you guys just see what you want it. This video just for the demo. I'm not looking for any subscribers as of now. So this is how you, and this is actually a personal one, and you can have a one-to-one, more specific, more niche you can actually settle with this. Instead of here, once you post it, then you make sure don't cheat these guys, because once you cheat, what happens is, if you after they finish the job, then they will reply back saying that you were done. If you don't reply or say, at least once they reply, you like their comment, say that okay, I'm working on it, then okay. But if you give up by 5-10 minutes no reply, so some of these guys may do like unsubscribe, and also in anger they may actually do the unlike button for your video. So that's why, so if you are busy then don't come up. If you are free time then come, and but make sure you whatever you align with but people you finish it up. That is the only drawback. Otherwise you see there are so many people here, many people active as of now. So all these guys actually most of them are new channels, so that's why they come here. They will get like around 1,000 something. Once get it, then just naturally they will grow, I think so. But the first 1,000 subscribers usually they get it from all these groups. So for this purpose I actually shortlisted all these groups, and I think this will help you guys a lot. So please visit these all these groups. Just go, I will show you guys maybe one more channel also. So just go here and then paste it there. Oh, this is same channel, the first one, sorry. So the next one is around 700k. Yes, so you just paste here. See here around 800 something. When I copied it was 700. So now already they are going very fast actually. Yeah, you see guys here already there's somebody someone interested here in my copies, and they want to exchange. So this lady, she say now 5 minutes, only 2 minutes is fine. So because video is only 2 minutes long, something like this they will. So you will through personal message, so once you finish the job then you can reply back them also. So this is the better option. But it is, I think I gave you guys tips so you can go and explore more and then see how you can tweak this method to make it things faster and even different way to use it. So yeah, so you see here also a lot of people active and asking here to inbox me and then subscribe, all these things. So this is a quite better option for new channels to get the first 1,000 subscribers. I believe it has helped you guys, and thank you very much for watching my video, and please help to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.